Hi, today we're going to be doing some more secret agent writing or magic writing using our white crayon, markers, and just some white paper. So if you need to get those things, go ahead and pause the video. Before we get started, I want to bring your attention to this week's spelling words have an interesting new word family. We are using the short vowel A, so it says a, and when it's followed by the k sound, you're going to need to use both the C and the K. So if the short vowel is what you hear, a, and then you hear k, it's going to be the C and the K. All right, so let's get started, and we'll have to remember that when we're writing with our white crayon. You know, if you're having a hard time writing white and seeing what you're writing, you might want to try just putting your white paper and over your spelling words if you have a printed list, or you can write them first in black. Then it's easier to see your letters as you're tracing them, so you know if you're making your letters correctly. After you write the word, you can take your marker, and I like to put it a little bit on its side and then just gently go back and forth over the word, and then you'll be able to see it. So again, I have underneath here a printed copy of the spelling list. You can just write the words if you want in black, crayon or marker, and then put a white paper over it. So the second word is pack, a, that's that short A. You need the C and the K for that k sound. And then you can take your marker and gently go over it. The same thing will work if you're painting with watercolors, because the wax and the crayon is what makes it the color not stick to it. It's from the wax and the crayon. So number 3, I'm going to scoot my paper over, is sack, s, a, k. All right, so a was the short sound, so I need both the C and the K. And that's sack. There you go. I hope you have fun using your white crayon and marker to practice your spelling words. You could also do that with sight words that you're working on. Maybe you're trying to remember how to spell the sight word said. That's a tricky one. You could write said and then take that marker and go over and see how you did. S-A-I-D. All right? Okay. See you next time.